Alcohol gives you a calm and relaxed feeling, but also interferes with your memory. It influences several different neurotransmitter systems, such as dopamine and GABA. Under normal conditions, GABA is a neurotransmitter that slows down the activity of other cells. It is stored at the tip of an axon and is released into the synapse. Alcohol binds to the same receptors as GABA, and therefore GABA stays there for longer. GABA calms your nerves and causes certain parts of the brain to work more slowly. Because your cerebellum slows down, alcohol reduces your fine motor control. Under normal conditions, the neurotransmitter glutamate moves between adjacent neurons. Alcohol binds to the same receptor as glutamate and prevents it entering the receiving neuron. When alcohol binds to these receptors in the hippocampus, this also interferes with memory as well as inhibiting the release of neurotransmitters and the ability to switch genes on and off. The more tolerant a person becomes of alcohol, the more difficulty it has binding to the receptors and giving the same effect. If a person suddenly stops drinking alcohol, withdrawal symptoms can be experienced as the structure of the GABA receptors has changed. Alcohol tolerance takes place when alcohol blocks glutamate receptors and new ones are generated, meaning more alcohol must be drunk to give the same effects. Alcohol stimulates the hypothalamus, which contains the hunger centre and increases one's appetite. When you drink alcohol, a burst of dopamine flows to the brain's reward centre and makes you feel pleasure. It also affects the serotonin neurotransmitter system and makes you feel closer to others. When endorphins in the medulla oblongata are affected, it leads to much slower breathing.